I'm Chef Cody Hickman with 360 Catering Events. You're at our YouTube channel. Well, welcome today. It's Juice Day, National Juice Day. So we're gonna do a nice, clean, healthy juice. We got a little kale here, cucumber, a little lemon, ginger, apple, and celery. So let's go ahead and start it. We're gonna go ahead and get our juicer going. Gotta plug it in first, I guess, guys. There we go, now we're going. And that's one part of live TV, it's always fun to do. You wanna make sure you get your stems. Make sure you get your stems in because that's where all your vitamins are. So here we go. We're gonna start with the kale. Well, that's how quick and easy in the morning to go ahead and get your fresh juice kick. And here we have your kale, ginger, apple, celery, and cucumber green juice. Ah, man, that's gonna be good.